Hello guys, welcome to English Learning with RK. In today's video, we are not just diving into a beautiful story, we are also exploring how storytelling can be one of the best ways to practice English. When you read, listen, speak, and rise through stories, you engage with the language in ways that textbooks or formal lesson often can't match. Stories bring English to life, making it easier to understand grammar, expand vocabulary, and improve pronunciation, all while enjoying something meaningful and memorable. Now, let's talk about the story we are going to explore today. This is the tale of the bamboo secret, why the patience always pays off. A story that will not only teach you English but also inspire you with a powerful life lesson about growth, faith, and silent strength. So, sit back, relax, and let's learn English through the magic of storytelling. The bamboo secret, why patience always pays off. Have you ever planted a seed and watered it every day, only to see nothing grow for weeks? Would you keep watering it, even when the soil shows no sign of life? Most of us would give up, thinking the seed is dead. But that's where the magic of patience begins. In China, there's a special kind of bamboo called the Chinese bamboo tree. When you plant its seed, nothing happens for the first year, not even a tiny sprout. You water it, feed it, give it sunlight, and still nothing. The second year, still no sign. Third year, same. 4 long years pass and the ground remains bare. But then in the 5th year, something incredible happens. In just 6 weeks, that bamboo tree grows up to 90 feet tall. That's right. After years of silence, it suddenly shoots up like a rocket. But did it really grow in just 6 weeks? No. It was growing all along, underground. It was building strong roots, preparing to hold the weight of its massive height. If the roots were not deep and strong, the bamboo would fall over as soon as it grew tall. This is a perfect lesson for life. Real growth takes time. We live in a world of instant result, fast food, fast internet, instant messages. So when success takes time, we get impatient. We give up too early. But the truth is, every great achievement, every dream worth chasing requires patience. Think about the people you admire, great athletes, artists, leaders, even your teachers or parents. None of them became great overnight. They failed, they waited, they kept working when no one noticed. Just like the bamboo, they were growing their roots. There's a story of a young writer who sent her book to 12 publishers. All of them rejected it. But she didn't give up. She believed in her story. The 13th publisher said yes. That writer was J.K. Rowling, and her book was called Harry Potter. Imagine if she had stopped after the 12th rejection. Patience is not just waiting, it's how you wait. Are you complaining? Are you quitting? Or are you preparing for your moment? The key is to keep going, keep learning, keep improving. Trust that your efforts will bloom, even if you don't see the results today. Because every day you water your dream, you are building roots. So the next time you feel like giving up, remember the bamboo. Remember the J.K. Rowling. Remember that patience isn't about sitting still. It's about working silently, growing unseen, and believing that your time will come. Because it will. And when it does, your growth will surprise everyone, even you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.